Before you start picking paint colors or calling that contractor your cousin you swear by, stop. Because every year I see Bay Area homeowners spend tens of thousands of dollars remodeling their homes thinking they're adding value, only to find out that those upgrades barely make a dent in their sale price. So before you swing that hammer or swipe that credit card at Home Depot, watch this video. I'm going to break down exactly which updates actually pay off when selling your Bay Area home and which ones are basically just expensive regrets. Let's start with the big one, over remodeling. A lot of homeowners think if I just remodel my kitchen, I'll make an extra $50,000. But here's the truth, most big remodels don't give you dollar for dollar return on your dollar, especially in the Bay Area. Buyers love a clean, updated home, but they also love doing things their way. That $30,000 kitchen you just installed, the next buyer might rip it out because it's not their style. So, unless your new remodeled kitchen comes with a built in espresso bar and free Wi Fi, it's probably not going to add the type of value that you think it is. Here's what actually adds value when you're remodeling for a resale. I hope this helps you. The first thing is fresh paint, neutral colors. Think warm white, light gray, soft beige. It's like makeup for your home. It covers the flaws and make everything look cleaner. Curb appeal. Mow the lawn, plant some flowers, and replace that mailbox from 1998. Lighting is a big thing as well. Swap out the outdated fixtures for something that is more modern and bright. Flooring is also a biggie. Replace the worn carpets or refinish the hardwood floors. Buyers notice this immediately. Minor kitchen and bath touch ups, new cabinet hardware, modern faucet, these small changes can go a long way. These updates show buyers that your home is cared for without you spending your entire remodel budget. Now, let's talk about the things that feel like they'll help but usually don't. Luxury upgrades. Installing marble countertops, smart refrigerators with Wi Fi. Save your money. Most buyers won't pay extra for appliances with the ability to send text messages. Over customization. That built in wine wall or bold wallpaper might look amazing on Instagram, but it limits your buyer pool. High end landscaping. Spending $15,000 on a designer landscaping might make your home look good in a magazine cover, but it won't guarantee a higher sales price. Room additions. Big structural remodels take too long and cost too much, and often does not increase your ROI in time for the sale. If you're spending more time remodeling than it takes to watch a full Netflix series, then it's probably too much. So, what should you do instead? Number one, consult before you remodel. Talk to a local real estate professional like myself before you get started with any renovations. We can tell you which improvements matter most in your neighborhood and in your price range. Step two, focus on presentation, not perfection. Buyers don't need perfect, they need inviting, clean, bright, well staged beats luxury every single time. Step three, keep ROI in mind. Ask yourself, will this upgrade at least what it costs, or will it just make me feel better? If it's just an emotional ROI, skip it. So before you spend a single dollar remodeling, take a step back. Not every project adds value, and some could actually cost you when it's time to sell. The key is to make smart, strategic updates that attract buyers, not expensive ones to impress your friends. If you're planning to sell your home and want to know exactly which upgrades will pay off in your area, let's talk. Connect with me using one of the descriptions below because I help sellers every single week prepare their homes for the right way to sell fast. And I love to help you make your next move legendary. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who is thinking about remodeling before they sell. It just might save them thousands. Until the next video, let's make your next move legendary.